Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Joel in Louisiana on his Uniden pc78. Joel, we did a tune alignment for you as you asked. We also went ahead and upgraded the final in it. Let's go ahead and get right to it. You wanted around 2 watts of a carrier, 25 watt slug. There's just a hair under 2 watts. I'll show you average power swing. Hello, 10.5 bird. 50 watts PEP. Hello. There's 50 watts PEP. All right, Joe, we'll get it out to you, man. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump up.